Hi students, today we're going to talk about a couple different pairs of angle relationships. We're going to talk about adjacent angles and vertical angles. First one is adjacent angles. So two angles are adjacent when they share a common side and have the same vertex. So in this picture, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Here's the common side that they share. The vertex is right here where these lines intersect. I like to think of these as neighbors. They're right next door to each other. You could think of this as a property or a house number 1, house number 2. This is the property line that runs down the middle of those two properties that divides them into two different properties. So it's the property line that they both share. So adjacent angles are neighboring angles. Think of them as next door neighbors. The other type of angles that we're going to talk about today are called vertical angles. Vertical angles are opposite angles, not next to each other. They're opposite, and they are formed by the intersection of two lines. So here's two lines intersecting, forms an X shape. So angles that are opposite of each other when the two lines intersect are called vertical. In this picture, angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. There's another pair, angle 2 and angle 4 are also vertical. Unique thing about vertical angles is that they have the same measure. So that actually means angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Likewise, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So vertical angles are opposite and equal. Here's some more examples of adjacent angles. So in this diagram, a pair of adjacent angles are angle ABC, which is this angle right here, ABC, and angle ABF right here. So these are adjacent angles. Same figure, but a pair of vertical angles would be angle ABF right here and angle CBD right here. These are opposite when two lines intersect, and we also know that if they are vertical angles, we also know that angle ABF is equal to angle CBD. Next, I would like for you to identify two pairs of adjacent angles and two pairs of vertical angles in this figure. I'm going to let you do that on your own. I will continue with this slide and the answers in another video. So please take the time to identify a couple pairs of adjacent angles, a couple pairs of vertical angles in each one of these figures, and I'll pick you up in another video.